Hello everyone! Today we will be making this hook-only Rainbow Loom Pumpkin. It is the easiest design that I think I have ever seen. All you need is some bands and your hook. This is an original design. I came up with it myself. There is another hook-only design on YouTube, but this one is a little bit different. So we're going to start off by creating a double loop on our hook. Now we're going to be using 2 bands for this whole project. So we're just going to slide our double looped band onto our pair of bands. Now we'll take 2 more bands and slide those. Basically, we're just making a chain, a very basic chain. So you're going to want to do 5 total links on your chain. So here you can see I have 3 plus a cap band. So you're going to want 5 plus a cap band. Once you have completed your chain, you're going to want to take your cap band and put it onto your hook. So now we'll take 2 more bands and push only the cap band onto those bands, put them on your hook, and now we are going to create a chain, but only with those top 4 bands. So you should have 8 total bands on your hook. You only want to use the top link. You are going to want to make your second chain the same length as your first chain. Now we're going to take our cap band once again and put it onto our hook. You are going to want to finish this 3rd chain just as you did the 2nd and 1st ones. After your 3rd chain, we are going to go back into the cap band once again and continue just as we did. It's ready when you have at least 7 rows. So now we are going to take them off of the hook. Tie your 2 brown bands into a knot. It's pretty simple. I'm not very good at explaining, but other people have explained it better. If you don't know how to do it, just watch what I'm doing. didn't do it very well on camera. And now you can shape your pumpkin, and you're going to want to hide the band. Like I said, I'm not very good at explaining, so just watch what I'm doing.